What's going on, everybody? So in today's video, I'm talking about the new system that everybody is leveraging that has 4 income streams within one funnel. The system does all of the work. It explains everything, does all of the selling and all of the telling. All right. So when you actually pay $50, right, you'll be paying $50 a month for this whole system. Inside the system, again, is 4 different income streams. So I'm going to walk you guys through the system itself. All right. So if you were to click start here, right, set up your income streams. Of course, 4 different income streams. The first income stream is the actual funnel itself. You pay $50 a month. When you help other individuals get started, of course, you actually get paid $20 residually monthly, as long as they are continue to be a part of the actual platform. Income stream number 2 is easy one up. I'm not going to talk too much about it. It explains it here in the back office. Income stream number 3 is text bot, and 4 is traffic authority. Now, if you're new to the online business, then you understand that you have to drive traffic to this specific funnel in order for you to be able to make money. Well, with income stream number 4, right, they have traffic sources that you can actually get involved with and drive traffic to this funnel. So it's really easy and really simple. All right. Setting up your e-wallet and then a back office tour as well. So basically what I'm showing you right now, you can actually watch step 4 and it'll show you the back office of the tour. Now you're going to get a specific link that you can actually market to individuals. So, I marketed this link in one day. I got over 259 individuals that clicked the link basically. I also marketed this link. I got 45 individuals as well. All right. So if I click traffic again, it shows you the different the income streams. All you have to do is click it. Once you get your username, you go ahead and click right here and click save. All right. You have the team, you have the leads, you have the leadership board, of course. You have the different resources in terms of email marketing, and then you have what is called My Business. Which you can set up your e-wallet, for example, so you can set up your different forms of payments and how you actually expect to get paid. All right. So the system itself, it does everything for you, right? It does all of the talking, all of the selling, all of the telling. All you have to do is drive traffic to the system. That's it. All you have to do. I have different traffic sources myself, which I'll be giving it out to anybody that decides to get started with me. But on top of that, you also have traffic authority as well. So the system itself, let the system do the work. System stands for saving yourself time, energy, and money. Let the system do the work. Just learn how to drive traffic to the system. I want to thank everybody for taking the time out to watch this video. Again, multiple income funnel, 4 income streams within one specific funnel. All right. So follow me on Instagram, Hustle Off the Net. All right. Go to the website, hustleoffthenet.com. Click the link. Let's get started. I'll be here to help. I'll be here to mentor you. See you guys on the inside.